In this video, I'm going to show you this really easy way to secure your outdoor conduit builds. This is what's called an orange screw, which is pretty cool. We just discovered this recently, and we've been in the world of paracord. We kind of fell in that rabbit hole, and these came up because these are meant to be a really simple ground anchor that you can carry with you when you're like camping, for going to the beach, just like all kinds of random stuff that you can use this for. They claim on the website it has over 100 uses, and essentially it's pretty simple concept. It's just made to spin into the ground, and then you have what they advertise as 3 mounting points here. I didn't really see the difference between the 3. I don't know if it's supposed to be obvious, but I'm not really seeing the obvious reason for that. But besides this one that's open, which I guess you could use as a hook so you don't have to untie something, but then you've got this closed one here that's like a triangle shape, and then you've got this open one here in the middle that's large and is round instead of the triangle shape. I've seen these kind of things used before because we actually talked about this a while back, and these are not made for conduit. A lot of things aren't. That's why we talk about them and show you how to use them with conduit. And this one we highlighted a few years ago. This one is made for more of like a trampoline anchor, and as you can see, there's a bit of a difference between the two, a pretty big difference. This one takes up a lot more room. The diameter of the spiral is a lot bigger. This one is polycarbonate. This one is metal. We talked about this because it's meant to anchor trampolines and things. But whenever the customer shared this with us, whenever they did their build, it was cool because 3/4 inch EMT conduit fit inside this D-ring or this hook really easily, which is cool. And we talk a lot about securing builds on the channel. It's really important that you brace your builds and then also secure them, especially if you're working outside. If you've got a freestanding canopy around your patio, you don't want that thing flying away during a storm. So you want to make sure that you're anchoring your outdoor builds. We've even seen people use these, spin them into the ground, and then use a ratchet strap or a cable or something, and actually add a cable from the build all the way down to the ground, even if you're not anchoring your build directly with the conduit through there. So it's really important that you do that, and so we're always looking for different ways that you can do that. We've talked a lot about doing vertical conduit, putting a rebar stake in the ground and sliding the conduit over it. That works well for vertical post, but hasn't really been a ton of great options for horizontal post or pipes, but this one works really well. And that might be obvious if you look at this, the reason that we got excited and we ordered it, and it actually turns out that the smaller one fits 3/4 inch EMT conduit pretty much perfectly in there. I mean, there's a little bit of a gap in there, so it moves around a little bit, but it's the same idea where you're driving this into the ground, and then you have your horizontal piece of conduit anchored to it, and then of course you build the rest of it off. We saw this originally from a customer who built an outdoor shower, and they reinforced it by just having that horizontal pipe on the ground. So that was really cool. And so essentially the smaller one, this one is what, 9.5 inches in total length, and that's from the tip all the way to the very top of the anchor. But that one fits 3/4 inch EMT, really awesome. The other one is 12.25 inch, kind of interesting sizes. But again, same thing from the bottom all the way to the very top. But this one fits 1 inch EMT conduit inside of it. And again, there's a little bit of slop in there, but nothing too crazy. And that's really cool because this other solution that we highlighted, the spiral ground anchor, 1 inch EMT does not fit in there. So it's really only for 3/4 or 1/2 inch. You can't get 1 inch in there. So that's really cool. And what's really awesome is they give you this sleeve for this. They don't really say why. I think it's really just meant to be the tool for installing it, but it kind of was inside, or the anchor was inside of the sleeve. But they say that you use this to actually drive this into the ground. So you just spin it into the ground and secure it. But what's really funny is this actually fits perfectly over 3/4 inch EMT conduit, as you can see there. And then the other one that they give you for the larger screw to install it fits over top of 1 inch EMT conduit really easily. So that's really cool. And something, if you're installing this, if you don't want to use that tool, you could just put your conduit in there. If you have a scrap piece laying around and drive this into the ground, you could do that. They also make a tool they call the Screwdriver 2.0, and it's made to attach to a power drill, and you can drive this thing into the ground a lot faster, than hand doing it if you've got this really long screw. But this is really cool. They advertise it for using it for all kinds of stuff, but I think it'll be useful for conduit builds, like I said, canopies, or any garden projects you guys are doing this spring. I think there's all kinds of uses. So if you think so, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys are building and what you think you can use it for. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.